So the way I identify if there are institutions currently getting involved in the markets is, first, I'd like to know what is the current price action setting. So in this case, what we're seeing in the charts right now, price is actually on a sideways move. Highs and lows have not been swept yet. But prior to this move, actually we are coming from a downtrend move. So how do I identify if the trend is on a downtrend or an uptrend? Simply look at the highs and the lows. So in this case, we're coming from a lower high and a lower low move. So this indicates that we are still currently on a downside move and we are not seeing any signs of reversal just yet. Wait for these highs and the lows to get tested. Then once price does not break or does not have any follow through on those highs and lows, whether it's gonna go on a breakout or a fake out, I'd like to go down to the lower time frames like the 5-minute time frame and look for structures where I could look for opportunities for either long or short. So in this case, we're still not clear if we're gonna go on a breakout or a fake out, but let's see what price is gonna do in the next few candles. So in this case, we actually saw price creating a momentum move to the upside. But of course, the structure is still not enough for us to push through to the upside. We need to have a follow through on this. As we can see, price actually did not have any follow through, signaling us that this might be a potential fake out. So how do we determine if this is an institutional move? One of the keys that I use is wait for a fair value gap to get created and wait for price to hit that fair value gap. Set our limit orders on that fair value gap and wait for price to tap our entries just by tapping the immediate fair value gap low here. And let's see what price is gonna do in the next few candles. And what we'd like to happen is just wait for price to either take you out or just allow price to take your take profit. So the goal here is we'd like to identify what price is gonna do on those highs and lows, go to the lower time frame and wait for a confirmation if it's gonna give you a fair value gap. That's exactly how I identify if there is an institution getting involved in the markets.